back to my channel. As you can see here, we're starting off with an unboxing of OGEE. I love them so much, and they were kind enough to give me a code for 25% off. So definitely use that code, girls. Get your discount. So a few things about this collection. It's the Ultimate Color Collection. It comes with a sculpted face stick in copper, pink diamond, and moonstone. And we have our tinted lip oils in Unia, Nolana, and Rosalia. I will say about these tinted sculpt lip oils, they glide on the lips so smooth, and they have like a peppermint scent to it, and they just feel really, really nice on the lips. This brand is also certified organic, cruelty-free, not tested on animals as well. If you love to glow, check out Moonstone. I love this shade so much. And can we talk about their packaging? This packaging is just top tier. It's magnetic. It's beautiful. I love this packaging so much. Oh my goodness. But this Moonstone shade is so pretty if you just want to glow. The next sculpted face stick is in pink diamond. Y'all just look at this color. It's so pretty. I love it. Once again, packaging on point. Same thing, has a magnetic lid to it, and it glides on the skin so smooth. The last sculpted face stick is in the shade copper. You guys, I love this so much. Just look at it. It looks so rich and creamy and just really pretty. Just wait until you see it glide onto the skin. I absolutely love this shade.
Put day in my mind, seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so